Good day, class. This is Sir Jeffrey Jardenero, your TLE teacher. Today, we will learn about AIM or Electrical Installation and Maintenance, one of the competencies in industrial arts. Are you excited to learn more about electricity? Okay, get yourself ready. Listen carefully of what I am going to discuss. You can do it by taking down notes in every new learnings. Okay, class, let's start. Here are the following learning competencies. Learning outcomes number 1. Prepare electrical materials and tools applicable to a specific job. Learning outcomes number 2. Request appropriate electrical supplies or materials and tools applicable to a specific job. But class, before we proceed to our main lesson, let us see if you are familiar in the different tools that I am going to discuss or show you. Identify the following tools that you will see on the board. Each correct answer is equivalent to 2 points. Okay, class. Number 1. What is this? If your answer is long nose, you are correct. Number 2. What are these? If your answer is screwdriver, again, you are correct. Number 3. What is this? Very good! It is flathead screwdriver. Number 4. Do you know what is this? Yes, you are correct. That is a wire stripper. Number 5. What kind of screwdriver is this? Correct! That is a stubby screwdriver. Awesome! Now, let us see if you still remember our previous lesson. Can you still remember the things that I had introduced to you about electrical installation and maintenance? In today's class, you are going to write true if the statement is correct and false if the statement is incorrect. Are you ready, class? Let's begin. Number 1. We should be afraid of studying electricity? True or false? Yes, that is false. We should not be afraid of studying electricity because teachers and parents are there to assist you. Number 2. We should always use proper PPEs when working with electricity. That is true or false? The right answer is true. That is right. Number 3. The presence of electricity is very important in human life. That is true or false? Very good! The answer is true because we can imagine that life without electricity. And that is our lesson for today. The different tools used in electrical installation and maintenance. And here are the different tools used in electrical installation and maintenance. Number 1. Screwdrivers.
Screwdrivers. These tools are made of steel, hardened and tempered at the tip, used to loosen or tighten screw with slotted heads. They come in various sizes and shape.
And here are the different kinds of screwdrivers. Number 1. Flat or standard screwdrivers.
Flat or standard screwdriver. The blade tip is wedge-shaped and resembles a negative sign. This is used to drive screws with a single slot head.
Number 2. Phillips screwdrivers.
Phillips screwdriver. This has a cross tip resembling a positive sign. This is used to drive screws with cross slot heads.
Number 3. Stubby screwdrivers.
Stubby screwdriver. It comes in either standard OR Phillips screwdriver with short shank OR blade and shortened handle used to turn screws in tight space where standard screwdriver cannot be used.
And next, let's go to hammers.
Hammers. These are tools used in driving or pounding and peeling out nails. They are made of hard steel, wood, plastics or rubber.
The following are the types of hammers. Number 1. Claw hammers. Number 2. Mallet hammers. Number 3. Ballpen hammer. And now class, we proceed to number 3. The pliers.
Pliers. These are made from metal with insulators in the handle and are used for cutting, twisting, bending, holding, and gripping wires and cables.
And we have a different types of pliers. Number 1. Combination pliers or lineman pliers.
Combination pliers or lineman's pliers. This is used for gripping, holding, and cutting electrical wires and cables. This are usually used by linemen in doing heavy tasks.
Number 2. Side cutting pliers.
Side cutting pliers. This type of pliers is used for cutting fine, medium, and big wires and cables.
And number 3, we have a long nose pliers.
Long nose pliers. This is used for cutting and holding fine wires. This can reach tight space or small opening where other pliers cannot reach, and also used in making terminal loops of copper wires.
And now class, we have another tools which is the wire stripper.
Wire stripper. It is a tool used for removing insulation of medium-sized wires ranging from gauge number 10 to gauge number 16.
And number 5, the hacksaw.
Hacksaw. This tool is used to cut metal conduit and armored cable.
And today, we have learned the different tools used in electrical installation and maintenance, and that we should remember the following. Number 1. Use tools in equipment appropriately. Number 2. Avoid using tools that are not intended for a certain job, and we should prefer tools and equipment to each specific job accurately. And that is our lesson for today. See you on our next topic. Goodbye and stay safe.